This Kiev 6C is one of those cameras that I enjoy using so much that the only time someone's going to be able to get their hands on my unit is probably going to be at my estate sale. So I've used this camera for about 3 years and shot probably close to 50 rolls of film through it, and it's been very enjoyable to use, with the only drawback being that this camera I can't really use flash. I mean, okay, I can use it, I can sync it up to the flash sync port and hold my flash, but I've gotten shocked once while holding it in the rain and activating my flash, so I want to prevent that again. And I couldn't really think of any other ways of getting my flash to stay on there until I had this genius inspiration of, what if I actually attach my flash to the viewfinder, or to the TTL finder? So began the many sleepless nights of figuring out how, the plenty prototypes that were thrown in the trash, until finally it worked. Or I thought it did, at least. Cue about 10 more pieces of plastic I threw away before I finally got an idea that stuck. Well, literally, because I had to double-sided sticky tape it to my viewfinder for it to stick. But I've used plenty of flashbulbs through it, and the mount holds just fine. So this is exactly what I want my Kiev 6C to be like. It even has that feature that it was missing, which is that hot shoe or cold shoe now. My version actually uses the cold shoe off of a Zenith 11 or 12, I forget, that I used for parts, and it fits perfectly. But don't worry, you don't have to scrap one of your cameras to get that part. My version has the cold shoe mount already on it, made of plastic, holds up really well. This design is available exclusively on Cults. If you have a Kiev 6C and you also have the same problem I do,